Hello and welcome to the Angkor Intellectual Academy's Blended Learning Program. My name is Teacher Bianca and today our video is for Phonics. It is for K3, Unit 3 in the Smart Phonics book and it is on page 24. Let's begin. Today we are looking at the long I vowel sound. Ike, ein, and I'm. Remember, we don't say the E, not Ike, not Ike, just Ike. Ike, ein, and I'm. Now let us look at how to say the letters. L, 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 N, 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 P, 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 V, 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 B, 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 H, 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 and T, T, T. Good job. Now let's look at our words. Our first word is lime. L, L, plus I'm. L, I'm. Lime. Will you say it with me? Lime. Good job. Then we have time. T is T plus I. Time. 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 Can you say time? Time. Good job. Then we have hike. He's hiking. How do we say it? H is H plus Ike. H, Ike. H, Ike. Hike. Can you say it with me? Hike. Good job. We also have bike. Do you ride a bike? How do we say bike? B is B plus Ike. B, Ike. Bike. Bike. Say it with me. Bike. Good job. This is a vine, where V is V plus I. V, I. V, I. Vine. Say it with me. Vine. Very good. This is pine. P. How do we say P? P plus I. P, I. P, I. Can you say pine? Let's try. Pine. Pine. Well done. We have another word. Lime. L is L plus I. L, I. Lime. Lie. Say it one more time. Lie. Good job. And our last word. Nine. How do we say nine? N is N plus I. Nine. Nine. Good job, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you soon in class. Goodbye.